Many older people are told weak legs are normal. They are told it is just aging. That is not the truth. For many seniors, weak legs happen because the body is missing 3 important vitamins, especially at night when the body fixes itself. These vitamins are simple. They are not expensive. They are also not talked about much. But science shows they matter a lot. When the body does not have these vitamins, legs feel weak, heavy, or shaky. Balance becomes poor. Walking feels harder. Night cramps appear. Falls become more common. The good news is this can often be improved. Here are the 3 vitamins that help legs grow stronger again. 1. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 helps the brain talk to the legs. It helps nerves send clear messages. When B12 is low, legs may feel numb or slow. Feet may tingle, knees may feel weak, walking may feel unsafe. After age 60, the body cannot absorb B12 well from food. Even if you eat meat or eggs, you may still be low. Taking B12 before bed helps nerves heal during sleep. Many seniors feel steadier and stronger within weeks. 2. Vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 helps muscles stay strong. It also helps reduce pain and swelling. Most seniors do not have enough D3. Low D3 makes leg muscles shrink and weaken over time. When taken at night, D3 works while you sleep. It helps muscles repair and lowers the risk of falling. 3. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 tells calcium where to go in the body. It sends calcium to bones, not joints or blood vessels. Without K2, legs may feel stiff and sore. Knees may ache. Calves may feel tight. K2 also helps muscles heal and work better. It works best when taken with vitamin D3. How to take them? Take vitamin B12 under the tongue. Take vitamin D3 and K2 together with a small snack. Do this about 30 minutes before bed. To help them work better, drink water during the day. Eat a light dinner. Move your legs gently for a few minutes before sleep. Weak legs are not always caused by age. Often, the body just needs the right support. Start tonight and let your legs heal while you sleep.